summertime. It's a time of longer, sunnier days, warmer temperatures, but it's also a season that can wreak havoc on your skin if you're not careful. Hi guys, I'm Smriti and today I'm going to talk about how you deal with skin redness and irritation during summer. But before that, you know the drill. Go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay notified about our weekly video updates. Now we all know that overexposure to the sun's rays, the combination of heat and humidity can cause itching, redness and whatnot. If these are some of the problems that you've been dealing with, then here is how you can treat this problem. The first thing that you need to do is opt for a gentle cleanser. Now what do I mean by gentle in this case? It means using a cleanser that's going to be kind to your skin, that doesn't contain any skin baddies like soap, harsh chemicals or artificial fragrance. At the same time, it nourishes, moisturizes and removes impurities. This is precisely why I've been using the simple kind to skin moisturizing facial wash. It helps me clean my skin in an absolutely gentle way when my skin is at its weakest. Always make sure that your hands are clean before you do this process. What is great about this is that if you have redness or inflammation, this cleanser will not further add to the problem because it doesn't have any soap in it. It is also free from harsh chemicals, is hypoallergenic, which just means that it won't cause an allergic reaction, and it also has no artificial fragrance. Because truth be told, artificial fragrance sometimes is the root cause of triggering irritation and inflammation on the skin. To add to it, it also has provitamin B5, bisabolol and vitamin E, which is going to soften, moisturize and nourish the skin. Once you've cleansed your skin, it's time to apply a serum. Often redness, sunburn causes skin to have an uneven skin tone. To even that out, what better product than a serum? But not just any serum. Opt for a serum that has niacinamide in it. Reason being, niacinamide is a natural anti-inflammatory ingredient, so it's great for calming irritated skin but also good for people with sensitive skin. I've been using the simple booster serum 10% niacinamide for even skin tone. It has no color, no harsh chemicals, no perfume and is non-comedogenic, which means it doesn't clog your pores. Ensure to always shake the bottle a little just to get the active ingredients in it to blend. Use the warmth of your fingers to spread the serum all over your face. It has a light texture, it doesn't feel sticky and it settles easily into my skin. The niacinamide is going to help calm down your inflamed skin. It is also going to strengthen the skin barrier, prevent premature aging and overall promote an even tone of skin. Another thing that you can do is after applying the serum, use a hydrating moisturizer because you need to keep the topmost layer of your skin hydrated if you want to repair the skin damage in the long run. Again, it needs to be gentle on your skin since it's sensitive at the moment. As a rule, opt for a moisturizer that has no parabens, no harsh chemicals and no perfume in it. Precisely why I use this moisturizer when I experience redness or irritation during the summer. This is the simple kind to skin replenishing rich moisturizer. It feels light, is non-greasy and gets absorbed easily by my skin. The formula for this moisturizer is going to hydrate and soothe your skin for at least 24 hours. It's the complete nourishment package as it contains glycerin, allantoin, provitamin B5 and bisabolol, which together is going to hydrate, soothe, nourish and purify the skin. Just what your skin needs when it's angry. Once the moisturizer has soaked into the skin, it's time to protect it from sun rays, and for that, obviously we need to use a sunscreen. The reason for this is that the skin that is red and inflamed needs sun protection because generally it has a weak skin barrier which when not protected from harmful sun rays will do more than you can comprehend. So apart from applying sunscreen on your face, it is essential to apply SPF on the body as well. or else the same horror story is going to repeat all over your body. And I'm sure you don't want that, right? I use the Vaseline Sun Protect and Calming SPF 30 Body Serum Lotion. It is SPF 30, giving me just enough protection from the sun on a daily basis. It's my favorite go-to sunscreen because it's easy to apply. That way, I'm less likely to leave the house without sunscreen on. For that reason, it's designed as a serum lotion, making it easy to apply anytime, anywhere. As you can see, my skin doesn't feel sticky or greasy because this serum lotion has a matte finish and it doesn't give me a white cast either. I highly recommend using this in summer because the formula of this serum lotion is designed for Indian summers, keeping the heat and humidity in mind. Also, it doesn't just protect you from the sun, but it also helps reduce your tan lines over time. It has neem extract that will cool your body, which is the perfect healing ingredient for your inflamed and sun-damaged skin. Lastly, the healing process for your skin isn't over yet. It needs to go much further to completely recover from sun damage. And what's more healing than an aloe vera gel? I use the Lakme 9 to 5 Natural Aloe Aqua Gel. It's one of my favorite products because it cools the body down after a hot day out in the sun. I normally use it when I'm back home. It is light and non-sticky, so it doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. In fact, you don't even realize that it's there. It just feels super relaxing and cooling on your skin. This can be your go-to healing product when you get a sunburn, need a heat or rash relief solution, need to restore your skin's moisture, or you just need some hydration. So my beauty buddies, this is how to treat your skin redness or irritation during summer. Trust me, following this whole process will help retrieve your skin back to normal in no time. Hope this video helped you figure out a solution to your itchy, red skin instead of freaking out. At least I did. If you want to purchase any of the products mentioned, then check out the description box below for purchasing links. Also, as usual, don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. Stay sun safe and I'll catch you in the next one.